Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we're going to open these two because they smell so good. We have Velobox and our Southern Fleek bath box, so let's get into them and check them out. These are two of my favorite boxes because they smell so good. They offer different things. Actually, you can light this one while you're in your bath enjoying these. They are both always a delight. We'll open Velobox first since it's just our lovely candle. I am an affiliate and it is sent to me for review, but because we do that, I will put a code and a link down below. It will get you 50% off your first box, Catherine 50. It comes in 3 sizes. You can choose which size works best for you. Oh wow, the canvas is gorgeous this month and it is clean. It is paraffin free, phthalate free. That's what I love about it the most. I know when I'm burning these that I am not putting those toxins into the air. And one of the things that I've been doing lately is I got one of those lamps that heats it up. You don't even have to set it on fire. I do set them on fire up here. And it just releases the scents of these into my room. And knowing that I'm doing that without the toxins, I love it. Each month we also get a bonus item. Not sure what that is yet. We'll have to put on our glasses. Even just the top of the box, the picture is gorgeous. The Velobox candles are artisan candles. They are not made by Velobox. Velobox goes out and finds artisans all over the country who make candles that meet all of the requirements that Velobox has about being a phthalate-free, paraben-free, cotton wicks, you know, never anything in the wick that's bad for you. And they work with those artisan candle companies. They usually bring in 2 or 3 of their scents. When you sign up for Velobox, you fill out an extensive profile, and that's how they decide which candle is best for you. Before we get into the candle, let's find out what our bonus is this month. I still don't know. It looks like a little rugs. They are so cute. What does the paperwork say? Candle rugs, set of 2. These candle coasters are designed to resemble miniature ornate rugs. They serve as functional and decorative accents for your home. Not only do they protect your surface from the heat, but they also add a touch of opulent style, making even the simple act of lighting a candle feel luxurious. Okay, we've definitely got to put one under him back there. Which one should we use up here? I really wish you guys were truly here to answer. I think we're going to go with this more beige one because I think he matches the pumpkins and the candle better. I really wish I was better at decor. But that is fun. It feels like a computer mouse. So the top feels kind of smooth and looks plush, and the bottom has it feels like a computer mouse. That kind of, not rubbery, but you know the feel I'm talking about. The top is super soft though. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's like he's got his own little house, his own little rug. That is so cute. Don't be like me. I did not trim my wick before I lit this today, and I'm starting to see some black smoke. That is totally my fault. Trim your wicks. Next, let's dive into the candle. Look how pretty. Each month it comes in a canvas bag, and they used to be plain. I have to stop saying that because they've been very pretty for quite a few months now. They're so pretty. How fun is that? When we take it out, this says soy wax candle, soy much brighter. And my flavor is, well, pumpkin coffee. So I'm not gonna have to guess too much about my scent this month, I don't think. It should be pumpkin coffee. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so good. I mean, it's just perfect for the season. There's the pumpkin. It smells like a PSL. It just is fantastic. Yeah. Oh, okay, the first time I smelled the pumpkin and the spice a lot. The second time I went in, I realized the coffee of it. Oh yeah, this is immediately. You know how I was just saying I put a candle under that light downstairs and it makes my whole house smell like it? That's where this is going. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. And look how pretty. I love that label. That label is non-intrusive and yet still kind of fun. I like that a lot. It says pumpkin, black coffee, and vanilla. I don't disagree. Capture the essence of cozy autumn mornings, filling the air with the robust aroma of the freshly brewed coffee, harmoniously blended with a rich, nutty scent of pumpkin. As it burns, an undertone of sweet vanilla emerges, rounding out the experience and making each whiff feel like a cozy hug for your senses. It does. It smells amazing. So the company is the Soy Much Brighter, and the scent is pumpkin coffee. All right. I will put the link and my code Catherine50 below, and that will get you 50% off your first box. And you can choose 4, 8, or 16 ounce. This is the large. This is the 16 ounce candle that I get. Okay, next we have our Southern Fleet bath box. This, the minute you take this out of the overwrap that it comes in, it smells so delicious. It just, you know, you cannot wait to take the bath that all of this is going to smell like. On top, we have a little paperwork that tells us just a skosh about everything we have in here. We won't read ahead on that yet. And we have our little bundle wrapped up lovely in tissue. I have never, and that's fairly amazing to say never, I don't think I have ever had a broken piece from Southern Fleet. She wraps them so well. This is sent to me by Nikki, and I will put her Etsy link down below for you. And with my code Catherine, you will get 10% off your order. She has an Etsy shop. She does so much more than this. I can't believe I'm sitting here another month. I should get my iPad up here right now and saying, I really want to try the laundry additive that she does that makes everything smell fantastic. My mom even ordered it. I kept talking about it on here. My mom was watching and she was like, I need to try that. She ordered it and loved it. So I need to get it. First out, something I don't think we've ever had in one of her boxes. How fun is this? I'm not going to do my hair. I'm making a few videos. That is so cute. I will definitely be using this. Oh my gosh. It is so soft. It feels like a teddy bear. Not like, you know, some of them are terry cloth. This one feels so soft and nice. I'm going to be adorable, although I'm not sure I can get it over that yet. Very cute. Let's dig in. Next, I have what I assume is going to be a bath bomb. It is a bath bomb. It is wrapped up so nicely in there. I don't want to unwrap it. I smell it a little bit, not a whole lot. Let's see what the paperwork says. Relax Bath Bomb. This balm is moisturizing and super relaxing with soothing blue water and sweet cocoa butter cashmere fragrance that will get you in the mood for fall. The shower box will receive vanilla pumpkin marshmallow body wash instead. I should mention, she also does a shower box. Something else I keep meaning to reach out for her. If you're watching this, Nikki, I keep meaning to have her send me 1 month. Maybe not next month. Maybe not during the holidays. Maybe after the first of the year. Because I do enjoy all of the bath things because I am a bath girl. I keep meaning to have her send me a shower box though to show you guys, because if you're not a bath person, if you don't take baths, or if you don't even have a bath, she does do a shower box. How pretty is that though? It's a very light scent because it's wrapped up so well in there, but I'm gonna leave it wrapped. Next out we have a pot. I do love the things that come in pots. This is Botanical Face Wash with jojoba beads, and it is lavender. We have never gotten anything like that in our box. That is going to be so fun to try. I'll give it a try. Botanical Face Wash. This refreshing face cleanser has luxurious extracts that boost complexion and refresh skin, including lavender, lemon, burdock, rose, and apple. Scented in either orange citrus with red jojoba beads or lavender with purple jojoba beads. Those that have expressed allergies will receive a different formula. There is technically nothing in here I can't use. It does have lemon peel extract, and you know, sometimes citrus is a little much for my face, but I think I'll still give it a try. Ooh, did you see? Look, when I lifted it, it did like, there we go, like whipped cream. Oh, it smells so good. It's very, if you're not a lavender fan, this would not be for you. I'll get a little bit of it. I'll put it on the back of my hand. Can you guys see? I love my Maniology nails, but ooh, that one hurt a little bit. Oh, it feels nice. I can feel the jojoba beads. Oh, it smells so good. I love it. I don't have any water up here, so I just wiped it off the back of my hand. And where I put it, my hand feels moisturized. I mean, it feels lovely and moisturized. I'm trying it on my face. Okay, next out we have, I think, another bath bomb. This box is called Spa Day. They ship out, or at least mine does, at the end of the month. So although this is October, I suspect this was the September box. This says self-care is a priority. Self-care bath bomb. Take the time to care for yourself with the skin nourishing fizzy, scented in either sweet serendipity, pink, so I'd say that's mine, peaceful patchouli, light green, oh, I love patchouli, or cypress and cedarwood, teal. Shower box will receive whipped soap in either fall apple or almost autumn instead. So that is what that one looks like. They're wrapped up. She's wrapped them up too well. I can't smell it. Next out, I have Southern Fleek Bath. It's a face mask. I was like, what is it? I can't tell. I mean, I could see she had a face mask on, but I wasn't sure it's a face mask. It's the color of like a kaolin clay, so let's see what it is. Face mask and brush. Indeed, she's right. There is a brush. That'll help you put it on. You don't have to get your fingers in it if you don't want, which can be a pain with nails. This set will help you refresh your skin while shrinking pores and cleansing. You will receive either bentonite clay, Moroccan red clay, French pink clay, or French green clay. Perfect for a spa day at your home. How do I know? Oh, French pink clay, water, and phenonip. Not sure what that is. Let's open it and see what it smells like. There's nothing in there I couldn't use. Doesn't smell like much of anything, just kind of clean and cleansing, probably the scent of the clay. I will give that a try. This is so fun and different. I love that she's doing something different too. All right, and last out, I don't know what it is, but I like the way that it looks. It looks kind of like a snow globe top, but then there's a scoop of what looks like ice cream in it. It could just be me. I could just want ice cream. No, it definitely looks like a scoop of ice cream. That's not just me. Large bubble scoop. This extra big bubble scoop will give you a perfect bubble bath. Fluffy, lush bubbles and relaxing aroma will make this day complete. Scented in either eucalyptus or pumpkin spice, Shower Box will receive a large shower steamer instead scented in eucalyptus or lavender. I would say I probably have the eucalyptus because it is green. Yes, I do. And I'm gonna leave it wrapped up as tight as I can because eucalyptus and menthol, those are always so great as we head into cold and flu season. I love to have them around, so this will be perfect for a soaking bath when I get a little thumped up like this. What a fun box. It's fun for Nikki to do different things, although I like the things she normally does too. We have our self-care bubble bath and our relax, not bubble bath, bath bombs. We have our little eucalyptus bubble scoop. I bet that one does make bubbles. We got our, I'm dropping everything. We got our adorable headband. I should have put that in first. Face mask and the brush to use it with, which is a great thing to have the headband for. And then the face cleanser. What a fun and different box. I will put the link and my code Catherine below that will get you 10% off over in her shop. I want to thank Nikki and Velobox for sending these over. I will put all of the information for both down below. I thank you guys so much for coming by and spending this time with me. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I hope that I see you again really soon. Take care, guys.